Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Make your mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Biscuit Chicken Pot Pie. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 can of biscuits, 1 can of condensed cream of chicken soup. We're going to need 3 cups of mixed vegetables and 3 cups of shredded chicken. Also, we're going to need our seasonings. I'm using ground white pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and I'm using adobo all-purpose seasoning, but you guys can use the seasoning of your choice. Okay guys, first you want to get a pot of boiling water. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put my seasoning in. And you guys add the seasoning the way that you would like it for your food to taste. So after we get our seasoning in, we're just going to go ahead and add our chicken breast in, and we're going to boil that for 15 minutes. And then we're going to take it out and shred it. And guys, I have about a pound of thinly sliced chicken breast. Also guys, if you don't want to use regular like seasoned salt, you can use better than bouillon chicken flavor while your chicken is boiling. Also, you can add that to it. Okay guys, our chicken breast is done, so now all I'm going to do is go ahead and shred it. Okay guys, now you want to set your oven to 350 degrees. So I have my chicken shredded right here. It's 3 cups. And I also have my 3 cups of mixed vegetables. So all I'm going to do now is just pour the vegetables into my pan. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and add my shredded chicken in. Okay guys, I poured my can of cream of chicken soup into a measuring cup, and all I'm going to do is add a half a cup of water to that, and we're going to mix that until it's well combined. Okay, next all I'm going to do is pour it right over top of our vegetables and our chicken. Next, all you want to do is add a little bit of seasoning over top. And after you're done, all we're going to do is mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, once you have everything well mixed, we're going to go ahead and grab our biscuits. And what you want to do is cut them in half, and then you're going to cut them in half again. We're going to do that to each biscuit. Okay guys, once you have all your biscuits cut, all we're going to do is take them and begin to place them on top of our vegetables and chicken. Okay guys, once you're done putting your biscuits on top, now we're going to place it in our oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, here we have it, our biscuit chicken pot pie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.